Hi, I'm Chef Amy Hoagie, and I'm here to teach you how to play with food, where I take a classic recipe, change it up a little bit to create a whole new dish. Today I'm playing with pea salads, and we're actually making a French-style green bean and pea salad. So we're going to start. Here's my ingredients. So we're going to start off with some peas, about 3/4 cup of peas. This could be probably a 1 to 2 person salad. Then I'm going to add, 1/4 cup of French-style cut green beans. Then I've got some tomato. I'm going to send a little bit of tomato in there, maybe a tablespoon. Some onion. You can use any color onion you want. And then I'm going to add, salt. The French do like their salt. A little bit of pepper. And then we're going to make a little dressing. I'm going to take, a nice amount of mayo, maybe a tablespoon, I should say. And maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. I'm just going to make a little bit of a dressing. Having gone to the French Culinary Institute in New York, they love making dressings, and I can't tell you how many different dressings I made. This one's really fun just because it's the sweet, savory, and salty all together. So I'm going to just pour that on there. Wasn't that easy? You can even add a little lemon juice too if you want. All I'm going to do is toss this about here. Oh yeah, perfect amount. You don't want too much dressing on there. Nice. You don't want it sitting and swimming in the dressing. So I think I did a pretty good job here. All right. So there you have it. French-style green bean and pea salad. Thanks for joining me. I'm Chef Amy Hoagie. For more information, you can visit me at my website at chefamy with 2es.com.